Welcome back. So we have Harbor Freight 10 days of deals going on right now, which have me and you, I'm assuming, super excited. Maybe you found something, maybe you haven't, but let's keep going to see what deals Harbor Freight is going to go through. So we'll just do a brief preview of what we've gone through so far. We have deal of the day 1, which you have missed. Sorry, you've missed. $479.99, $120 off US General. Did you get it? Let me know if you did. This is a very, very, very nice cart at a very nice discount. Deal of the day 2. If you're in the East Coast, you probably don't have time. But if you're in the West Coast and you're watching this, technically, by the time I release this, you'll still have a chance to go out and go get it. It's $50 off. The Icon Professional Master Ball Joint Universal Joint Press, 20 piece, $50 off. Although really it's listed at $215, so you're really only saving $35. But beggars can't be choosers. And that's still a decent discount. And we're going to scroll up here for day 3, which is tomorrow. Deal of the day 3, 30% off. We went over this yesterday. All Hercules, Bauer, Warrior, corded grinders, polishers, and buffers. And in a post I saw, I was going to bring it up, but I didn't. In one of the posts I saw, they had a superimposed bench grinder right up here. And allegedly, this sale is also including the bench grinders, because technically, the bench grinders are also corded grinders. Who would have thought? And so, for example, these are the bench grinders, and these are the most expensive bench grinders. So this is the Hercules, $200, 8-inch heavy-duty professional bench grinder. It's kind of hard to say. I almost said something else there. But then you have the Bauer 8-inch bench grinder with belt sander, $169.99. Very nice. And then the 8-inch Bauer variable speed bench grinder with LED work light, $140. This other one without the variable speed for $90. And this even smaller one, 6-inch bench grinder with LED light for only $50. And then this little mini 3-inch bench grinder with flex shaft. Maybe you can use this with the mini Icon ratchet, $47.99. Anyways, the bench grinders are also included, which is just something to make sure you're aware of. It's 30% off. And then also the second one, which is actually kind of just as nice, $99, $75 off, the 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides. This is again tomorrow. And one thing I want to kind of just point out, it's 1,200 pound capacity, which is absolutely insane for what kind of capacity. Are you hauling a car? Looking at the Haulmaster, 2,000 pound capacity, 5 foot by 10 foot modular utility trailer. How does this only carry 2,000 pounds? Am I judging this trailer a little bit too harshly? Or is this utility cart just hitting well above its weight at 1,200 pounds? That, anyways, not relevant, but I thought it was interesting. That's day 3. And we're going to scroll down slowly for the slow reveal. Day 4, deal of the day 4, 40% off all Hercules demo, rotary, and breaker hammers. 40% off. Excellent deal. These are the heavy duty ones. These cost, some of them, well, not all of them. Some are like this one, demolition hammer, $380. 40% off of this. Definitely beats this ITC member deal going through the 27th. You're saving almost $160 off of this if you wait for the 40%. Let's just sort high to low. Then you have this breaker hammer for $650. That's 65 times 4. That's $260 off. Now, granted, that's expensive already, but you're getting this for about, what, $400? So some excellent deals on these breakers, hammers, and hammer drills. And then for good measure, they're throwing in this Viking. Was $340. It's now $60 off at $280. The Viking 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack. This is March 20th. So excellent deals of the day 3, excellent deals of the day 4. 40% off demo rotary breaker hammers, and then $60 off the Viking 3400 peak pro amp portable car battery jump starter power pack. Those are the deals of the day. That's deal 4. A little bit of change on deal 3, including, I believe it includes the bench grinder, and we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let's grow the channel, save some money, and as soon as I have day 5, I'll send it your way.